Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Mega goal number 3, unit 1, lesson 11. This lesson is for function connected by technology, and we have today comparatives and superlatives for adjectives. Comparative is used to compare two things, or two people, or two places, while superlative adjective is used when we compare three or more than things or ideas or places or people, etc. When we compare things, we use different form of the adjectives. Look here, please. This cat is fat, but this is fatter, and this is the fattest. So we have adjective, we have comparative, and we have superlative. The structure is forming comparative and superlative depending on the number of syllables, if it is short or long. Here we have small. Small is adjective, short one with one syllable, so we add er. Small, small. We add for comparative adjectives er, old, older, young, younger. While if the word begins with consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the final letter. Big, bigger. Hot, hotter. Consonant, vowel, consonant. For Y, we change Y into IER, like easy, easier, heavy, heavier. For long adjectives, we use more. Exciting, more exciting. Beautiful, more beautiful. For irregular adjectives, we have good, better, bad, worse. We use than after them if I have a sentence. John is taller than Mary. Ferrari is more expensive than Fiat. Look here, we have young and younger. The woman is old. The man is older than the woman. The woman is old, but she is younger than the man. Look at the bear is big, while the elephant is bigger. The polar bear is big. The elephant is bigger than the polar bear. The polar bear is big, but it is smaller than the elephant. And for yogurts, we can say this is tasty, but for comparative, ice cream is tastier. Ice cream is tastier than yogurt. I have now exercise. Look here, correct. Tiny is tall than sky. So the correction is taller. Number 2. Sky is good at basketball than tiny. Of course, better. Tiny is fast than sky. Correct, fast, faster. What about popular? Sky is popular than tiny. We should say more popular. And for big, we can say bigger. For superlative adjectives, we use the superlative to compare more than people, places, or things. Look here, we have this house is big, this house is bigger, and that house is the biggest one. So we double here, and we have ER, double, and we have EST. This is the superlative spelling. Old, the oldest, the youngest. For the final one, we have, if I have consonant, vowel consonant, I should double the final letter and add EST. For big, for hot, and etc. For Y, the same for ER. We have easy, heavy, okay, so we change Y into I, then we add EST, easiest, the heaviest. For these adjectives which are long, exciting, the most exciting, beautiful, the most beautiful. For irregular, we have good, the best, and bad, the worst. So we must add that before est, the tallest and the most expensive car. If I have this, Big Ben is all. This tower or this clock is all. Okay, the pyramids are older than the tower. The pyramids are older than the tower. So the pyramids are the oldest. We have castle here. We have castle here or tower of Mamlaka, etc. And we have so old, older, the oldest. And we have here a practice Ali is short. Of course, Ali is the shortest. Look at the picture here. It is thin. Of course, it is the thin. Ali is wearing colorful cloth. Of course, most colorful because it is long. It is tall. It is the tallest and you're smart. The smartest. Look at these pictures we have. We say here. What about this? This is fat, and this is fatter. So we compare between them. What about this? This is the fattest. Adjective, comparative, superlative. Find the comparative and superlative form of these. High, higher, and highest. Find the superlative and comparative of these. This frog is large, and this snake is long, and the weather is warm. So we have large, larger, and largest. Long, longer, and longest. Warm, warmer, and warmest. Sometimes instead we say extra word before the adjective. The comparative, more comparative, most comparative, comfortable, sorry. We say that more comfortable is the comparative form of comfortable. We are comparing them. We say that most comfortable is the superlative. The most comfortable is the superlative. Most words of more than one word use more and most because they have more syllables, more than two syllables. What is the comparative of from our form of miserable? We have more miserable, and the superlative is most miserable. What about unusual and diligent? More unusual, most unusual, more intelligent, and most intelligent. There are some exceptions. These exceptions for why happy, happier, and the happiest. I have two, clever, quite, quieter, quietest, and clever, clever, cleverest. For three syllables, also we have IER, unhappy, unhappier, and happiest, unlucky, unluckier, unluckiest. Okay, small group, we add ER and EST. Common, pleasant, narrow, polite, simple, cruel, stupid, shallow, gentle. These are the group which we call it smaller group. Okay, we should end or end them with EST or AR according to the comparative for superlative. We should not use ER or AST for this. We should say more common and most common. And also good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. That's all for today.